actually made several design changes based on the feedback that we got from you. So thank you very much for letting us know how you feel. We went to NECAN, we went to the Harvest Cup, we talked to people, during and after that event and got some input. And one of the things, and this is our old design on the right, one of the things that people were concerned about was, how do I get access to the plant when you've got this panel down there? So on our new design, we removed that panel. So you got a lot more access to your grow medium. And then the other thing that we wanted to add was to give it a little bit more, modification, the ability to be able to adjust it, I should say. So you're able to raise and lower the height of this, by about 6 inches one way or the other in order to get different types of containers in there. So if you've got a soil pot that's very high, you can fit it in there. If you've got a hydroponic tray that sits very low, you can fit that in there as well. So that's another feature that we wanted to put in there, and we were glad we were able to squeeze that in. And then the other thing, I don't know if you can see here, but I'll zoom in just a bit. You can see on this model, so in this model here, we've got standard feet, that we call them just standard feet. And then on the model over here, we've got what we call extra wide support. So you can, and we're actually offering these for free. So that's the thing about our shop. Because we just launched it, because it's new, there's a low introductory price. We're giving a lot of things away for free. We've got a lot of discounts as well. I'll talk about that soon. But one of the things is a feature called extra wide support. So if you're trying to sit this on open rack shelves, so if you're trying to fit it in a shelving system that's got open grid, so there's not a flat, complete surface, you're going to need something a bit more substantial than the standard feet. We got you covered. We put extra wide supports on there. You can also use these if you're going to sit the unit within a hydroponic tray. So if you use hydroponic systems or you use a hydroponic tray, maybe just to catch runoff. You'll notice that in your hydroponic tray, there are little ridges. It's not a flat surface. So we changed the feet so that they can sit on that rigid surface and you don't have to worry about it being unstable.